Junior sister, why don't we pitch a tent here and rest for a night before leaving? It feels like it's going to rain. Listen to my brother. We'll camp here tonight and rest for the night. Leave tomorrow. Junior sister, it rains heavily and thunders. Maudnet is starting to peel paint. Tell them to push the copper horn and gold crown into the tent. I'm afraid of corpse change. The master has moved the golden crown with the same foot. Bad things have changed. Wen Chai quickly tied the coffin with the corpse rope. Okay, master. Traumatic injury. Traumatic injury. Senior brother Wen Chai, are you all right? If you dare to hurt my senior brother, I will kill your soul. Sister, come back. This is the Millennium Zombie King. You can't beat. Ah! Junior sister. Master. Brother, are you all right? What do we do now? Can't die. This zombie has become a spirit. General Maoshan's spells can't deal with him. You first block the attack of the Stiff King. Give me a few minutes. I need to set up a formation and invite the Celestial Master Zhang Kui to destroy it. Good brother, hurry up. We can't take it anymore, Master. You have to hurry up. Heaven and Earth Wuji. Kun Quin Borrowing Method. Heavenly Master Zhang Kui descends into the world quickly. Kill demons. Protect me. How dare you bring disaster to the world here? I will accept you today. Wu Ji slays demons and removes demons. Brother Zhang Wang has been destroyed. We can continue on our way. Thanks to the Celestial Master Zhang Kui. Otherwise, we would all be planted here today. Let's go. Proceed with caution. The road ahead may not be peaceful. Master, I will support you.